The To Be Heard installation and project is really about engaging with students. I'm really interested in just listening to them and learning from them and understanding who they are and what their experiences are within the context of race and gender here at UMichigan. I'm wondering how they experience, being in classes, how they experience walking to school, how they got to this school, why they're at this school, and how being someone from whatever group they are, whatever identities they hold, how that influences how people treat them. And from those conversations, I'll create this public artwork that is speaking to their experiences. So really this project is me amplifying their voices. This work is really about drawing them really big, putting them on this campus, and really sort of forcing the school to pay attention to them and pay attention to what it is that they have to say. So those are the images, these beautiful drawings, renderings of these folks and their faces, along with quotes from them and their voices. I want viewers to walk away from seeing these installations feeling as if they have heard and seen someone whom they may have never considered to hear or see before. So really, I just want people to stop, look, consider, be angry if they want to, be mad, be, confused, whatever it is, but to have some type of reaction. And that's really beautiful for me.